Sema hai. Sijampa. Mungu hapa nyinyi. Alright, so this look how happy my daughter is. Malaika. Dada sawa tumefanana. This is the game. Another one. Choice here, yeah, pilau and fish. Pilau and fish. Okay.
Big fish.
Big fish, right? All right. They say they are closing around Tuesday and Sunday. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Mbogor X. So right now, I've just picked up my keys and we are driving around trying to find a place to eat. Man, I haven't eaten since yesterday, so I'm seriously hungry right now. My kids already had lunch, they are fully happy and ready to play, but not me. I definitely need some food. We first stopped at one restaurant just to check it out, but unfortunately it was closed, so we jumped back in the car and decided to try another spot. I've actually never been to this restaurant before. It is in an old area, but they have built a new place now. I haven't checked it out yet, so I'm really curious to see what they have to offer. Let's go and check it out. You can see Malaika, she's really acting as a big sister right there, man. You know, she's really acting like a big sister right there. So she's taking care of her little sister right there. No, but mimi inanitosha mwanangu. Thank you very much for the tissue. Let me put tissue here because usually, man, if you put tissue up here, they're gonna use all the tissue out, man. Look the tissue, man. There's nothing in there, and there are a lot of them. I mean, they use them for nothing. Oh, let's go, baby. Come on, let's go. Boss, mna nini? Mna nini hapa? Sasa hivi napata pilau. Sasa hivi napata pilau. Pilau na nini? Pilau and fish.
Yes, we have pilau and fish.
Pilau and fish. Okay.
Big fish.
Big fish, right? All right. So I'm gonna order big fish, which comes with. All right, guys. So at this place, they've got pilau, chips, and ugali. So I decided to go with pilau and fish, you know, because their pilau doesn't have meat, so it's a good combination with the fish in there. Yeah, so let me see how the food is gonna come out.
Pilau is done. Ndani ya uwezo wangu.
Pilau ina nyama ndani.
Atuweki nyama usemo mwingine unakuta.
Na mimi pia sina nyama. Basi nipe hiyo pilau na samaki.
Kachumbari, pilipili.
Yes, pilipili tena nyingi sana. Pilipili no. Yeah, no. All right, guys. So this is the place right here, man. It's pretty cool. It's a very nice place, and they have a TV here if you want to watch soccer. The saloon is over there. They even have an attorney there. Attorney at law if you have some legal issues. The TV right here. Alright, man. So these are my babies are playing, and they have their friends right here and over there too. Hey, jamani, umeshakutana na nyinyi sasa? Ashafika. Okay. This is what they want. This is why they come here. Mkimaliza mnione sasa jamani. Malaika. Look at the baby. Nisipeleke huko jamani. Huko mwisho. Hapa. Right. Ellen. Look how happy my daughter is. She's very happy. Yeah, man, I gotta tip these little babies, man. They're doing a good job playing with my daughters. I mean, imagine. And so we're here at Sally's kitchen. So I already ordered the food, so I'm gonna be waiting for it. I mean, let me just see here. And my daughters are there. Kwa hao wadogo zako eh? Sio ndugu yako. Wewe ndugu yako yuko wapi? Mwanakombo. Mamako yuko wapi? Mimi sina hela sasa leo Mwanakombo. Sasa nikikupa wewe 2000 mgawane hapa, utawapa wenzako. Au wapi?
Buku ya paka.
Iko wapi? Akawape hiyo buku kwanza.
Mimi ngani mchukue. Wana paka.
Wote wawili. Kwa unaniona mimi ni nani? Nimeletea ujumbe. Alright, so this is Mwanakombo. Mwanakombo, she's 11 years old. You know, she's out here, man. I think, I don't know whether she's hustling or what. So, ujiuzia hivi kwako wewe. She asked me to turn on that side. Alright, so this is a beautiful Mwanakombo, and she's only 11 years old, you know. And her friend there, they are playing with my daughters, so I just give her some, you know, something to drink, like a money, you know, something. Yeah. So she asked me how much did I buy this camera. Let me see how much. I bought this camera, I think in shillings it's like 1.8 million. Milioni moja na laki nane. It's true. Yeah, of course. So I buy this camera 1.8 million, and that is for real. And it's a lot of money, you know, for me. It's a lot of money for me, but it's a good investment. I gotta be able to take a video and show you guys what it is out here and the life we have here in Africa, because a lot of people do not know that here in Africa we have a very peaceful life. I mean, people think that Africa is just only one side. Of course, we have some part here in Africa where there's war, but Africa is a very huge continent, one of the huge continents in the world. And Tanzania is one of the very safe country, and I'm happy that my daughters are there, enjoy. So one thing about my daughters, man, I mean, they don't have younger people like them playing with them until they come out here. You can see the bond they have with the little kids. They just meet here at this place here. So I order pilau and fish. I haven't eaten, I mean, since yesterday. If I ate yesterday evening, and then I'm just eating now, since yesterday evening until right now, I just commit something called fasting today, you know. Huh? Sijempa. Niko hapa nyinyi. Kwa nini? Acha nimpe bwana. Acha nikupe na wewe. Sasa wewe. So, I decided to give a small tip to the little girls who were playing with my daughters. They give them such a wonderful time, full of laughter and joy. I felt they truly deserve even more. Watching these little girls playing with my daughters was something really special that made them feel welcome. So this type of pilau doesn't have meat, but usually pilau, they have meat in there. So this is a fish pilau. You know, it's the first time I eat fish pilau, but most of the time I eat beef pilau or chicken pilau. So this is gonna be fish pilau right here. Okay guys, let's see each other when I'm done. All right. Let's see each other when I'm down. So this is Swahili way of eating. You mix everything in there, and that's how you get all the flavor. And as usual, this is pili pili, or we call it spice. Add some spice. Hiyo. So this is pili pili. This is spice. No. Acha.
Wow.
Umefanana nao? Malaika? Dada asema umefanana nao eti. Is it true? Alright, man. Alright, so honestly, the food was pretty good. Now it's time to pay the bill, man. Being kids, so that's why I like to bring them a place like this every now and then. And the reason, Karangaza?
Got you.
Karanga mimi nishakula. Bibabu ndo vitu gani? Kamera, umeipenda? Very nice. Hivi bibabu shingapi? Huh? It's, so this little guy, he's selling. This is vibabu. So he's selling vibabu for 100 shillings for one. So let me see. Let me see if I can bless him with something, something small. I don't know if I have any change here. That's the problem. I'm supposed to work around with small money. Yeah. Unaenda shilingi ngapi?
Mbona zingine?
Umeshafika 10? Unazunguruka. Alright, man. Another kids come on selling kibabu for 100 shillings each, which is about 0.04 USD. I was inspired by their hard work, so I decided to support their business by giving them each 1,000 shillings. This is the real spirit of hustle you see every day here in Tanzania. So,
lazima tusubiri.
Msubiri. Unaitwa nani? Wallace. Una miaka mingapi? 9. So this is Wallace. He's 9 years old. I'm translating. Na translate kwa Kiingereza. Kiingereza unakijua? Na, alright. Na yule kaka yako anaitwa nani? Martini. Okay. Ana miaka mingapi?
Martini ana miaka mingapi?
Alright, so Martin is 13 years old and he's 9 years old. Mikanjuni. So they are staying in Mikanjuni. It's one of the suburbs here in Tanga, and they are selling. Alright, so they are selling. Young kid, making money and struggling and make a living. And this is a life. That's the good thing about in Africa. They don't need any permission from the government or whatnot. You just go out and sell. Let me show you. I mean, they love when this camera is turned right up. You see? Yeah, you can try. Boom, and then boom. Yeah, just like that. It's pretty easy. Again, boom, man. I mean. All right. Young Wallace was very curious about my camera and really wanted to understand how it works. Since I was busy filming, I couldn't show him everything, but I did show him how the gimbal moves and turns. He had so many questions, such a great curiosity. It was really nice meeting young Wallace and his brother. You know, moments like these makes filming even more special. Okay,
Sana.
Asante. All right, so 1,000 each is for it's not a lot of money in international standard. Remember, they are selling stuff for only 100 shillings. So yeah, each Kiingereza. So they are selling this stuff for only 100 shillings. So imagine to get 1,000, they need to sell 10 of them, like the small things. Like they need to get like 10 of them. Simple like that, man. Simple like that. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Let's finish, man. Boom, again, boom. All right, guys. Bye bye. Peace and love.